Welcome to Section 2 of our Amazon Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about selling your products, selling your services, self-publishing, selling with FBA, and becoming an affiliate. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Selling your products. Statistically speaking, it's safe to assume that basically anyone watching this has, at some point, bought something on the Amazon Marketplace. Whatever you're looking for, you'll find it there. From clothing to computer parts and from fresh produce to video games and books. You can buy anything with a few clicks of your mouse. A fundamental part of the Amazon experience is customer service, and how easy it is to use and navigate the site to find what you're looking for. Stuff such as wish lists, daily deals, and notifications about upcoming products are what allowed Amazon to become the largest, most successful e-commerce website on the planet. That is precisely what a lot of people wanting to get their arms around e-commerce struggle with. It's not only that building up an e-commerce platform is a complex task, but also because of competition. It is very, very likely that hundreds, if not thousands of sites are already offering what you want to sell, and people often stick to what they know. On top of that, you also have to introduce Amazon into the picture. The good news is that Amazon doesn't see you as a competitor. It sees you as a business partner because you can sell your stuff on Amazon. Selling on Amazon is an Amazon service that allows people to become Amazon merchants with the privilege of selling their products in the Amazon Marketplace. By selling in the Amazon Marketplace, you'll reach hundreds of millions of customers around the world through their 95 million visitors a month in the U.S. alone. You can also take advantage of Amazon's fulfillment services, leaving the heavy lifting to them while you manage your business. That means Amazon will take care of your inventory by storing it, packing it, and shipping it once your sales are made. They will even take care of customer service for you. You can also use tools provided by the platform to market your products in the marketplace. It works simple enough. First, you decide what you want to sell in the marketplace. There are 20 starting categories for individual sellers and 10 more categories open to professional sellers. Individual and professional are different selling plans, and you'll have to pick one depending on your selling requirements. Once you settle on a selling plan, you can register to start listing your products. After you register, the process is simple and straightforward. First, you'll have to list your products to have them added to customers in the Amazon Marketplace one at a time. There are two ways to list products on Amazon. One is by listing products that are already in the Amazon Marketplace. You'll simply have to sort through Amazon's existing catalog and then specify quantity, condition of your products, and shipping options. The second way is by adding products to the catalog. To do that, you'll have to identify them by their Universal Product Codes, UPC, and enter their attributes such as title and description. Secondly, you sell your products. There is an already established audience to whom you will sell to that counts in the millions. So you'll just have to wait for someone to search for your products and make a purchase, which might happen sooner than you think. Once your sales go through the system, you'll have to get your orders packed and shipped. Thankfully, you can use Amazon's own order fulfillment service, so you can save time and resources. We will be guiding you through this in a following video. Finally, you get paid. It is as simple as adding your bank account. Amazon will send you funds and notify you once they are deposited. One advantage of selling in the Amazon Marketplace is that there are no entry fees for listing your products for a limited amount of time. You actually only pay a final fee that is determined by your product's category and its final sale price. You can list for free in the marketplace if you opt to sell as an individual, but you'll be limited to only selling up to 40 articles on a monthly basis. If you estimate your sales will surpass the 40 product mark, you can sell as a professional and sell in the 10 additional categories. You can visit the fee schedule page to get a more detailed overview of fees per article. There are over 30 product categories under which to list items in the marketplace, with more than 20 of those open to any type of seller and some requiring approval. From books to business products, there is something for everyone there. Signing up. You have to create a seller account to start selling on Amazon.com. Go to Amazon.com and scroll down until you see the Make Money With Us title in the footer. Click on Sell on Amazon. Then click on the Solutions tab, and then on Sell on Amazon. Scroll down to find a registration button for each selling plan. Your needs and requirements will determine on which one you'll choose to start selling in the marketplace as a merchant. For the purposes of this video, we will register as individual sellers. So let's start by clicking on Sell as an Individual. Enter your email address in the first field and check the Create New Account box. Then click on Continue. On the following page, enter your first and last name. Re-enter your email address, then create a password and a password confirmation for your account. Then hit Continue. On the next page, enter your legal name and check the Service Solutions Agreement box. Then again, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your credit card information. This is for Amazon to handle your selling expenses and fees. Once you enter all the required info, click on Next. You can also click on Skip Step and enter your billing info later. On the next page, you'll have to enter a display name for your marketplace storefront and your physical address info. Again, you can skip this step if you want to enter this information later by clicking on Skip Step. On the following page, you'll need to enter a phone number to receive a PIN code through a voice call to verify your authenticity. Choose the language in which you want to process this step and click on Call Me Now. Once you complete this step, click on Next. You can select Send Me a Text Message above if you want to receive your PIN code through text. You can skip this step too, but we strongly suggest you enter all your info and complete the verification the first time so you can start selling right after you create your Seller Central account. If you want to register as a professional seller, you'll be asked to provide actual information about your business, as well as a valid credit card, bank account, and tax information for billing. That's it. Once you have your seller account, you can start listing your products in the marketplace and can upgrade your selling plan anytime the need arises.